How to withdraw money from Bitget to MICB. Now, first of all, open your Bitget account and from the top left corner, tap on your profile icon. And after that here, just scroll down a little bit and you will be able to see the P2P option. Now tap on it. Now here you will be able to see the buy and sell. So because we want to withdraw, you need to select the sell option. Now after that here, select your token that you want to withdraw. For this case, it will be USDT. And now tap the limit, select the limit from here, for example 100 USDT. And now the method, tap on it and you can select your bank from here. It will be MICB. Now click on it. And as you can see here, you will be able to see the provider here to be able to sell your token. Now just click here. And after that, you will be able to go to settings. Now tap on it. And now tap on add to add your bank account. After that, in the search bar, search for your bank MICB. After you find it, tap on it. And here, as you can see, provide the account number and the payment details and tap on confirm. So after you add your bank, just go back and tap on sell and you will be able to withdraw your money to your MICB bank. So this is how to withdraw money from Bitget to MICB. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe.